Hey friend, Howie Perks here, doing a review on System.io for 2023. If you're a marketer out there, whether you're in Live Good, you're looking at Live Good because you've seen some of my videos, or maybe you just came across my video because you're looking for something to help you with capture pages, sales funnels, or maybe an autoresponder, I think System.io is a perfect system for you because it's going to replace most of the systems that you're most likely using and you're paying money for. And the cool thing is right now you can get in for free and you can email 2,000 contacts and you can create up to, I believe, 3 funnels, which I'm going to show you in the free system. And if you upgrade, you get a little more. And even when you upgrade, if you don't take their one-time offer, it's still super affordable. And I'm going to show you instead of talking about it. And I'm also going to log into my system because I want to show you my deliverability with the emails that I've been sending for Live Good with our plug and play pages that we have available in our team site for anybody who joins us in Live Good. So this is the page here. As you see, get the world easiest all-in-one marketing platform. I agree with that statement. I'm new with System.io. I've used a lot of different page builders out there throughout the years. And I actually just left GetResponse, an autoresponder, which I was paying, I believe, like $60 to $70 a month to have GetResponse. I completely canceled my GetResponse, and I'm just using System.io, and I love it. I upgrade it, and I'm going to show you the upgrade in a second so that I can build out more funnels, but I'm not building them. Actually, a top affiliate marketer on our team is building them, and then I just have to press a button and it pulls the funnel into my system. So if you're looking at this, you have not joined somebody in Live Good, and you're looking, click on the link below, join our team in Live Good, and you'll get access to what I'm going to show you in a moment, a plug and play system to be able to help you build your business. If you're a marketer who saw my video just because you're looking for a sales funnel or you know, anything that has to do with like System.io, you haven't heard about Live Good, I invite you to click on the link below for Live Good. Become a pre-enrollee. It's free. Check it out. And if you decide to join us, you'll get all the plug and play pages. If you don't join us, or maybe you're already in Live Good or you're just not interested in Live Good, click the other link and you can set up your free account for System.io. Any questions, please reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you if you do set up System.io through me. I'd love to, be able to let you know, what's been working for me, or, if you get stuck on something, I'll try to do my best to be able to help you out. So let me go ahead and show you. So what do you get when you get System.io? You can create sales funnels. You can send your emails, and again, I replaced GetResponse. I'm not paying that $60, $70 a month anymore. I'm paying way lower because I did upgrade, but I'm going to show you that upgrade in a second. You can build out your websites. You can manage affiliates. This has an affiliate program like most companies out there. Like if you were an Aweber, GetResponse, or some other page builder, most likely there's an affiliate program attached to it. System.io has the same thing. I believe they pay 60% commissions. I'll show you my back office when I log in a minute, and then I'll get that number correct for you. Create online courses, automate your marketing. I think this system's awesome for brand new marketers, so that you're not breaking the bank on all these different page builders and autoresponder. Depending on your budget, you can get in there and you can just get to work and know that you have a great system that's going to allow you to build out those pages, and also email those new leads so you can nurture them and potentially get them into whatever program or product that you're promoting. But if you're an intermediate or advanced marketer, it's a great system, especially if you have a team, because you can create your pages and then you can share those pages with your team to make it easier for them, and also gives you the leverage for another reason for them to want to join you. One of the leverages that we have in our team is we have our private team site, lots of training, and then our plug and play system, which you'll see the pages in a moment. All right, let me go ahead and show you the upgrade. So you can do it for free. Here's the upgrade that you'll see when you put your email in there. If you don't want it, you just get started and do it for free. If you don't buy it initially with the upgrade, the $16.40, it's going to go to $27. But again, super affordable compared to most other systems out there. And again, I love the system. I think when you get inside, you're going to see how great the system is and that it works. And I'm going to show you my statistics. Let me log in right here. and show you that my system is working. I've already had a sale in my Live Good business from our plug and play funnel. I haven't done a lot with the funnel yet. I'm still testing some stuff out, but I love it so far, and the emails are getting opened and people are clicking on it. So the deliverability has been really good. So right now I have 292 leads. Let me go ahead and go to my statistics for my emails. And you see here, I'm getting about an average, looks like about a 20% open rate. And that's going to vary if you're a new marketer and you're watching this. It's going to vary on your email, specifically your subject line. But again, with our team, if you're looking at this as somebody who's thinking about joining Live Good, or maybe you just heard about it and you're curious, and you click on the link, become a pre-enrollee and upgrade, you'll get these emails pre-written for you. You press one button, these emails will be in your System.io account. You just have to make a few tweaks, which we have training on in our team back office. But Nick knows how to create subject lines and emails that convert because he's a top affiliate marketer. He's created multi-million-dollar funnels, so he knows what works. Let me show you some of the click rates here. If I go over to my newsletters, I did some newsletters where I did a blast. And as you see, I'm getting about another average like 23% open rate, or 21, 22. And then my click rate looks like it's about a little over 2%, which is fairly good because normally you're looking at 1 to 5% click rate. So, obviously it's going to depend upon the email, and then also when you're talking about the click rate, you're talking about like what's written in the email. Is it something that's going to provoke them to want to click the link? If it's got that written in a way to where it's going to get them to actually want to click through and see what's going on. So let me show you some of the funnels. So here's our plug and play funnels. When you go ahead and get our system, one click of a button, you're going to have a sales page and a capture page. So this is our capture page, professionally designed by a top affiliate marketer, so that you don't have to do it yourself. And then we have our sales page. Again, this is somebody who is in Live Good. You join our team. This is the page that's going to help you when you generate leads through the system. It's going to help talk about Live Good, why they should join Live Good, give some success stories, and then also leverage somebody joining our team, which if you're a new marketer is huge, because you may not know what to do. Like, why would somebody want to join me? Well, you can leverage joining our team as a reason to join you, because they're going to get access to this plug and play system and then all these extras, which you'll see if you click on the link and you go through the process. You'll see what you'll get, and then you just have to make some tweaks. This green button will go to your Live Good tour page instead of mine, and that's really the only tweak you need to make. So all in all, this is a phenomenal system. Again, it's going to replace your capture page builder, your sales page builder, your autoresponder. It also has an affiliate marketing aspect attached to it to where you can earn money. Let me go ahead and look at the affiliate dashboard. Let's go to my affiliate program, and I haven't really started promoting it yet, but I want to see where the affiliate commissions are and how much it pays, because I don't really remember, to be honest with you. There it goes, 60% commissions, as you see there. Actually, I did make one sale recently. Somebody upgraded into the system, and actually somebody just got into the system while I was making this video, because it was at 13. Again, you can utilize it for free. But then when you upgrade, or if somebody upgrades through your system, you're going to earn a portion of that monthly, which is huge. And that's why I love affiliate marketing. It's just a way to where you're supplying great tools to people, helping them with their business, and then you're going to get paid in return for that. So with that being said, awesome system. I highly recommend it. It's been really, really great. I have just started utilizing it for my business. I plan on doing a lot more with it. And our team, again, if we're talking about Live Good, you join our team, we're going to be building out more funnels, more pages, more emails, plug and play for you if you decide to join us. So if you haven't joined Live Good, click on the link below, join us. I'll send you how to get into our site. If you're not interested in that, there's the other link for System.io. Get your free account, upgrade to whatever is best for you. And if you need help, let me know. Like this video, drop me a comment if you have a question or you want to see something. I'd love to help you out. And I'm looking forward to partnering with you soon.